Immaculate home. 1.05 air conditioner. All brick rancher with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, office, sunroom, oversized garage and all on one level. Covered front porch to enjoy the view. Open floor plan with cathedral ceiling and stone fireplace in great room. Hardwood floors and tiled baths and sunroom. Sunroom is a great place to relax. New plantation shutters just added. No stairs. No carpet. Big master bedroom with nice large walk-in closet. Private bath with dual sinks, walk-in shower and extra large linen closet. Whole house water filtration system. Large laundry room. Conveniently located to everything. Especially convenient to the lake. 15 minutes to